Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you are watching a So What box opening. Unfortunately, I did not keep these in a chronological order, and even if I had, they'd gotten knocked over so many times I wouldn't know what I was doing. So we're just opening these up at random, seeing what we got. On the upside, the patterns and fabric doesn't go bad. Not going to have spoilage. This is curated by an independent business owner. The return address says Post Falls, Idaho. And this is sewing. Flip for details. So we are going to get a blanket corner ready to sew kit. We have extra fabric bundle. We have a picnic set multi-style pattern. And as always, they have a Facebook community, and they let you know about their video tutorial and their video project vault. So, awesome. Our first thing to look at, oh, that's pretty. These are our fabrics. We have some very pretty dragonflies. Lovely pastels. Yeah, this is definitely, I don't have this fabric, but let me tell you, if I had seen this in a store, I would have bought it. That's nice. Alright, so we have a blanket carrier, getting you ready for going out on a picnic. Prep time is 2 minutes. Creation time is 20 minutes. You get the pre-cut fabric, all-purpose thread, sewing pins, universal needle, written instructions, and a sew-along video. And the link is on the back of this card. You will need a sewing machine, scissors, iron, and a ruler. That's not too bad. Oh, and look at that. Talk about your things all corresponding beautifully. And then we have a paper pattern that is for the picnic set. Blanket carrier, the first thing, which is the kit you've got here, has a 1-star difficulty rating. Adjustable to fit around most rolled up blankets for ease of carrying. You have a utensil pouch with a 2-star difficulty. And then you have a pocketed placemat, which is a 3-star difficulty rating. Roll-up placemat for picnics with a pocket, perfect for napkins. And everything looks like it's transportable. You just roll it up and you can transport it. Awesome. That would be fun. Oh, it would be fun to make these on a holiday and then have around, you know, when the table for everybody for Thanksgiving or something, right? Have the blanket for the kids to sit on in front of the TV watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and then have the placemats and even the utensil holder at every place so no one has to get up 13 dozen times to get something. Definitely an idea. Definitely an idea. I don't know for this year though. Maybe for next year. Or maybe just for my family. My immediate family in the house. So I like the fact that we have different difficulties. So she's challenging you. Go ahead and make this first one. It's easy, perfect for beginner. Get your confidence up, then try the next one. Okay, you can do this. Yeah, you can do this. And then move on to the third one, which is a little bit more difficult. She wants you to be successful. So she's going to include all of the instructions. You have the videos that you can go look at. She wants you to be successful with this. And that's kind of nice. Having somebody there encouraging you and letting you know what you need to do and how you need to do it. And I said wanting you to do this and do it well. And teaching you at the same time, because the next time you go around, next time you go to do a project, you're going to feel a whole lot more confident. And when you're able to do it, it also makes it a lot more fun. So that's a big one. Have fun with it. Enjoy your machine. Enjoy your fabrics. Be sure to check out the links down in the description, because we will have a link to Sew What. And if you decide to subscribe, please use the link. I do get a little bit of a thank you from her, which is always nice. But even if you don't, I said you get these kits and everything's cut and everything's ready for you. And she includes the threads, everything you need to do this. She's got for you. She's got you covered. And then some little extra fabrics for just whatever project you might have. So be sure to check it out. Check out the upcoming boxes. Check some of the past projects. I think you can even order some of the kits from her. And so this one, it says 20 minutes, so definitely in an afternoon, no problem. The longest thing you're going to be spending your time on is cutting out the pattern. And it's nice paper that she's using. It's not that real terrible. And by terrible, I'm saying T-E-A-R-able. That tissue paper that tears and so easily. But it's nice paper. Definitely a reusable pattern. And she tells you where to find the video tutorial right there on the first page. Awesome. So this should be fun. So I'm definitely making a dent in my stack of boxes. And I've also been starting to see a little bit of a dent in my fabric stash. So that's been fun. And we'll just keep on keeping on. Meanwhile, like I said, check out some of the links down in the description. We do have an Amazon shop. It is an affiliate link, so if you click on anything and purchase anything, no extra cost to you, but we get a little bit back from Amazon. And don't forget our other channel of Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. I love my rabbits. They are so sweet. I have some really cute videos. If you are wondering why we don't have more videos, check out our update videos. It kind of tells you what's been going on. We had a year and a half of interestingness. Yeah. But we're still standing. We're still going. Like I said, just keep on keeping on. But in the meantime, I am getting back to the things that I enjoy. The reading, the sewing, wanting to do herbalism, the essential oils. All of that is all starting to fall into place. So deep breath. Just keep breathing. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. There's a bell that you can click so you're notified when we put up new videos. Be sure to like and share, make comments. Find us on Facebook under Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. Most importantly, don't forget to come back. I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.